So my friends, in this video we'll be doing a very quick unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro, and we'll be showing you what probably is the worst case ever that Apple have made. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. Now firstly guys, I make no apologies for doing an unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro. I know you're going to be sick to death of them, but the real reason for me doing this video is to show you a certain case from Apple and hopefully get you not to buy it because it is hideous. Anyway, we'll come on to that in a second, but I was actually quite excited about this iPhone because I've not had an iPhone Pro before. My last iPhone is the iPhone 10, which around about 6 or 7 months ago I was in Egypt and I dropped it on the floor and the screen broke, and I've not replaced it since. I just thought I would wait until the new phones come out. Well, they're here today and this is the one that I have. Now guys, if you like the eye concept that I've got, I'll leave a link in the description for where you can get that installed. I think it looks really good. It's from a guy called James Traff and looks fantastic. Anyway, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro. I've gone for the blue one, 256GB, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. It does actually feel quite fragile in the hand, I thought. It feels like it's very expensive and you want a case, and this is probably the case that you don't want to buy because this is the official Apple clear case. And as you've probably heard about these MagSafe cases, they have a magnet in them, and boy, does that look bad. It really, really does. Now, I don't actually know what I was thinking when I purchased this because you could see it clear as day, but in my head it wasn't going to be this bad. But guys, what do you think? Is that the worst official £49 or $49 official iPhone case that Apple have ever made? It really is awful. So my friends, I really would be interested in what you think. Do you think that you would go for the clear case or another, or would you just go naked? But this phone does feel like it could break fairly easily with those stainless steel edges. And let me know whether you're going to be going for the 12, the 12 Pro, or even maybe the 12 mini when that comes out. Guys, just a very quick video today just to show you the iPhone 12 unboxing and also to please, 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 please do not buy that clear case. Thanks for watching this video and I look forward to seeing you on the next one from All Things Tech.